ChatGPT, how do I ask a girl out? Asking a girl out can be a nerve-wracking experience, especially if you're not sure how she will respond. However, with a little bit of preparation and confidence, you can successfully ask a girl out and potentially start a new relationship. Here are some tips on how to ask a girl out. 1. Make sure you're ready. Before you ask a girl out, make sure you're emotionally and mentally ready for a relationship. This means being self-aware and honest with yourself about your own feelings and intentions. 2. Consider the timing. When you ask a girl out, consider the timing of your request. If she's busy with work or school, she may not have the time or energy to go on a date. On the other hand, if she seems free and available, it may be a good time to ask her out. 3. Be confident. Confidence is key when asking a girl out. If you're nervous or hesitant, she may sense this and may not feel comfortable going out with you. Practice positive self-talk and remind yourself that there is no harm in asking. 4. Show interest. If you're interested in a girl, make sure to show it. Compliment her, ask her questions about herself, and engage in conversations with her. This will help you get to know each other better and will show her that you're genuinely interested in her. 5. Be clear and direct. When you ask a girl out, be clear and direct about your intentions. Don't beat around the bush or try to play it cool. Simply ask her if she would like to go out with you on a specific day and at a specific time. 6. Make plans. After you ask a girl out, make concrete plans for your date. Choose a venue and activity that you both will enjoy, and confirm the details with her. This shows that you're serious about going out with her and that you've put thought into the date. 7. Be respectful. If a girl says no to your invitation, respect her decision and move on. Don't try to persuade her or make her feel guilty for not wanting to go out with you. Respect her boundaries and be gracious in the face of rejection. Asking a girl out can be intimidating, but with these tips in mind, you can approach the situation with confidence and grace. Remember to be honest with yourself and the girl, show interest in her, be clear and direct, make plans, and be respectful. Good luck! Subscribe for more videos like this.